Friends, ever had a great app idea, but thought building it would be too hard? Today, I'm going to show you how easy it can be. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we'll use VibeCode to create a full-featured event planning program, from managing guests and gifts to custom icons and AI-powered features, all with just a few text prompts. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Folks, we're going to create a professional event planning and party organizing app using VibeCode's new Apple-style features. It will be able to manage guest lists, plan gifts, and set the date and time of the gathering. First, I'm going to insert a detailed prompt like this one. The interface looks just like a real iOS software, so it feels polished and professional right from the start. We'll showcase all the coolest features from the latest VibeCode update. We'll also build the whole thing using just one command. I've already pasted it, so mates, let's start creating. I'm clicking Generate, and in just a couple of minutes, VibeCode broke our request down into tasks and completed them step by step. It edited files, ran commands, and essentially built the entire app we asked for. It even created sample gatherings that will load automatically. Guys, here's the full process saved for us. Now let's take a look at the result. We can see events and guest lists, as well as a gift section. There's also a settings screen where we can manage notifications and reminders. We can control music, access help and support, or add a privacy policy. Friends, let's open Birthday Party. Here we can see the location, choose whether to enable reminders, and view all the details. The next sample location is Weekend Barbecue, and we can also share or manage it. For the Office Holiday Party, we can view the guest list and confirm attendance by checking people off. This way, we'll never forget who we invited or to which gathering. There's also a gifts list, such as a gift card and a book set. What the app doesn't have yet is a button for adding new events. So let's create one. Mates, I'll enter a detailed instruction asking VibeCode to add floating action buttons for adding new items. I can choose which model to use: Cloud Sonnet, Cloud Haiku, or another. In the build menu, I can also set the layout to cover the full screen. And I can ask VibeCode to improve the prompt if needed. I'm sending it for generation, and it starts working right away. You can see it breaking the task into smaller steps and completing them one by one. Now we have an Add Event button, and we can manage them easily. Let's add a new one, and it's been added successfully. And that's our newly added button in action. Now friends, let's try creating unique custom graphics for the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Instead of using standard system ones, we're going to produce our own in a unified visual style using AI. For example, we'll open the Image tool, which brings up the image editor. Here we can create all kinds of visuals, from icons and characters to backgrounds and screens. We'll choose the type. This optimizes the creation specifically for app icons. First, we'll create the image or the Events tab, a stylized calendar with a blue to purple gradient. It is generating, and here it is, ready. Next, folks, we'll start building it for the Guests tab in the same gradient style. Let's check the result. Perfect! Our third creation will be a gift box with a ribbon for the gift section, and it is ready. The last one is a settings icon, a gear, which we'll also make similar. Now that all four are ready, we'll ask VibeCode to replace the default tab bar icons with these new custom ones. I select all of them and click Add to Prompt. We can see they've all been tagged. Then I paste the instructions for it to replace the bottom tab bar graphics with the custom images. Mates, I start creating the prompt and wait for the results. Claude Code starts processing the task, understands what we want, recognizes the newly generated image files, and executes the appropriate commands. And now we can see that all our icons have been successfully replaced with the custom ones we created. A great result! Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's take a look at the audio tool. VibeCode offers three types of audio: sound effects, music and voice. For a planning program, these audio features would be unnecessary. iOS already has an excellent notification system, with sounds that users customize to their own preferences. Instead, we will rely on haptic feedback, which provides subtle tactile responses. This works much better for confirming actions, without disturbing the user or anyone around them. Adding custom sounds would just make it bigger and drain more battery, which isn't really needed here. Folks, here is the haptics panel. VibeCode offers a range of vibration patterns, from very light to strong, for different in-app actions. We can even preview each one and feel how it works in practice. For our case, we can use haptics for several types of actions. Error notifications will be used for unsuccessful actions, such as attempting to delete an event without confirming. Friends' success notifications will confirm completed actions, for example, creating an occasion or confirming a guest. Light impact is perfect for switching between tabs. Medium suits everyday actions like tapping a checkbox. Heavy delivers a strong, noticeable response when deleting an event. Rigid provides a pronounced sensation for important operations, while soft is gentle, ideal for opening a bottom sheet. I will also add a selection change response for scrolling the daytime picker. We add all of this to the prompt, along with an explanation instructing VibeCode to integrate haptic feedback into the platform. Then we send it for generation, and the system begins implementing the changes. While the tool is working on haptic feedback, let's explore one of its most powerful features, the VibeCode API. This tool allows us to connect external services and extend the software beyond its basic functionality. VibeCode offers several API categories, each containing different AI models or external services, with various speeds and costs. Folks, there are several AI models available for the text generation category. This would be especially useful once our event planning app includes an assistant. Imagine the user simply enters the name, and the system automatically makes an engaging description, activity ideas, and even dress code suggestions. For tasks like these mates, we can use GPT-5 Mini, which is smart enough for creative content, but still fast and efficient. Another helpful function is smart gift suggestions. The user enters the type of event and some basic information, and the AI suggests creative gift ideas based on age, interests, and budget. With image generation, we can automatically create unique cover images. The user just describes it, and the AI produces a suitable festive visual. For this purpose, I'll connect GPT Image 1. We can also work with additional data formats, such as Apple Maps for locations, or Open Weather Map to check the weather for a specific date. VibeCode also supports audio and transcription, for example with GPT-4o, allowing users to add everything by voice. It even makes videos, though this won't be relevant for the application. For now, we will enable only text and image generation. I add this to the prompt and describe exactly what we want the system to do. Then I send it for generation. We can see tasks being added to the queue, and the system processes them one by one. And finally, there is the cloud feature, which is coming soon. And that's a wrap, friends. VibeCode makes turning an idea into a real iOS or Android app fast, fun, and completely code-free. From event management to AI-powered extras, it handles all the hard work so you can focus on creativity and ideas. Whether you're experimenting with new concepts, building personal tools, or just exploring how AI can help you develop software, VibeCode is a game changer. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.